Hey everybody, how's it going? Long time no see. Well, I've put the video unboxings on hold for a while until now, and so I'm gonna start again. Got another couple cars that are on the way, and I figured I'd start off with this one here. It's a little bit different, not a typical unboxing, as you'll see. More of an unwrapping. This is how it came. I've never received an RC car in the mail without a box before, but the box itself seems intact, and it came all the way from Japan. As you know, that's where the Tamiyas come from. So I guess I will start and unwrap it for you. I know usually I would say unboxing, but anyway, not this time. This time, I'm decided to go the four-wheel drive route again. I have quite a few two-wheel drive Tamiyas already, and I only have one four-wheel drive before this one, and that one was the bigwig. So this time, I decided to go with the Hot Shot. It's one of Tamiya's most iconic RC cars. They're all iconic, but every one for their own reasons. I especially like this one because of the way the suspension works. Front suspension's mono shock. Same with the rear. It's just the way it's designed. It looks really, it's truly old school. Some people say it looks like a turbo hopper, a Tyco turbo hopper from back in the 80s, which doesn't surprise me because they all came out around that time. Anyway, I'll be putting it together. Once again, I don't think I'll be going with the box art paint scheme. I'll be going a little something different. I will tell you guys it will be brushless, so that's all I'm going to say for now. As I said in my previous videos, once I'm all done this kit, plus I have one more coming, I'll do one video showing all of the cars that I have in my Tamiya fleet. Anyway, so let's get this one going. Okay. I believe this one also comes with the 540 motor. So now I have a whole bunch of 540 brushed motors. Stock Tamiya motors. It would help if I do this. That's really okay. Sorry about that, guys. Phone flipped over. All right. Okay, so we'll go into typical Tamiya fashion. Everything's laid out nicely. That's, I don't know what part, I'm guessing this belongs to the rear somewhere. It's been a little while since I put one of these together, but I'm definitely looking forward to it. I love building these things, almost therapeutic for me. We got 4 tires, the same as the bigwig, 2 fronts, 2 rears, spiked, being four-wheel drive. Okay, diff, that's for the diff, so, and I'm pretty sure that's the rear diff cover, and that's the front diff cover. Of course, hub assemblies, front and rear. I'm sure it's got other parts in it as well, which I'll be using everything. Front bumper. Oh, it's got Tamiya written on it. That's nice. It's got the shield on the bottom. It's a cool build. Driver. putting this guy together, and inside there's a servo, yeah, the servo connections as well. Alright, we have the body, the main body, the wing, part of the tub chassis, the 4 rims, front and rear, decals, the re-release decals, of course. When it's done, it's gonna look really good. I'm not gonna tell you the color I'm gonna paint it, but okay, that's just for the hubs for their tires to connect them to the front and rear. Of course, the magic box of goodies. In this box contains all of the shocks, the springs, the motor, probably the ESC by the looks of it as well, and everything to put everything together. We have shocks. Obviously the front shock and rear shock. Shock oil. Oh, it's blue. I've never seen blue before. I don't know if that's firm or soft, I'm not sure. But I have other oils from my other RCs as well. I gotta read up on it because I definitely want to go a little bit firmer, because from the videos I've seen the ride does look a little bit soft and it bottoms out a lot from what I've seen on some YouTubers. So I want to try to maybe put a bit of firm shock oil in it. Front and rear arms, zip ties, this connects the, yeah, this is for the front end, all suspension components, tools to use, little wrenches, tie rod ends, bag B, front and rear arms, 540 motor. I heard these are pretty good motors. I personally don't use the motors, but I hear they're pretty good, if that's the system that you want to use. Okay. For the differentials, trips front and rear, big dog phone, huge, nice and thick too. This can definitely handle some good brushless power, that's for sure, which I plan on putting through. Okay, probably the front or rear hub carrier, bag A. Bushings, which I will not be using. I ordered a separate set of ball bearings from Jim's Bearings, as I do for all my Tamiya kits. And obviously some hardware that we'll need. Okay, that's to keep the car up. I don't think I haven't installed any of these in my other previous Tamiyas, but I don't think I'll install it, but we'll see. The differentials. Bevel gears, spider gears, and all that. Bag D. Bag C. So this looks like it's a fairly intricate build. I would say it's pretty much on par with my big wig in terms of difficulty by the looks of it, which was my first build. And of course, last but not least, the famous Tamiya instruction manual. lists basically everything on how to put the car together. Very detailed. The way they put these together is just amazing. Like very detailed and step by step. I mean, anybody can seriously put one of these together. It's that good. I'm a big fan of Tamiya. That's why I keep buying their kits. I've gotten away from RTRs, now I'm moving into the kits now, as you know. How to put oil into the shocks, how to connect. Also, the big dog bone goes. So that's what connects the front and the rear diff. The big wig has like a, almost like a thin piece of steel that connects the front to the back. This actually uses a dog bone. That one. So that's wow, what a difference. Anyway, different design philosophies, I guess. The remote that they use, you can use any one as long as it's compatible. Yeah, how to connect the servo. Yeah, definitely an intricate build. By far my most complex build was my Tamiya Wild One. Then followed by the big wig, and all the other ones were easy. Well, pretty easy anyway. The Frog was fairly easy. Then I have the Holiday Buggy. What else do I have? Obviously the big wig. I got a few more, I can't remember. But anyway, like I said, I'll do a video after to show all the cars. Anyway, so yeah, that's here's how to put in the NiCad battery. I'll be using a LiPo, obviously. And how to paint. And how to drive the car, as if we needed a lesson how to drive it. How to the paint schemes for the driver, and a parts list, of course, at the back, as always. Yeah, this is all in Chinese. I can't read that, but anyway. Anyway, so that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed my video unboxing. I'm looking forward to putting this guy together. I'm going to customize it, of course, and I'm going to put some pretty serious power into it. And I guess that is it. So if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please do so. I would definitely appreciate it. And yeah, I guess that's about it. So I guess I'll see you next time. Alright, guys? Peace.